Let's see how to reset old iPad without Appledid password. In the first step, open Settings, then select your profile. After that, click on Find My. In the next step, open Find My iPad. Now turn off Find My iPad and then type in device code. In the next step, open Settings. After that, select General. Later, tap on Transfer or Reset iPad. In the next step, select Erase all content and settings. Next, press Continue. Next, type in device code. In the next step, press Erase Now. Next, confirm selection. Now, wait for process to end. You are good to go.